Hyperliquid might be becoming something much bigger than just another crypto exchange. And honestly, that is why people are starting to pay very close attention to what is happening in decentralized finance right now. According to a new Grayscale report, Hyperliquid could eventually evolve into a full-scale financial services powerhouse as DeFi infrastructure continues expanding globally. The report highlights Hyperliquid's rapid growth, strong trading activity, and ability to compete with traditional centralized exchanges while operating fully on-chain. And honestly, this is one of the clearest signs yet that crypto is moving far beyond simple speculation, because DeFi, decentralized finance, is slowly building an entirely different version of the financial system itself. Trading, borrowing, lending, prediction markets, payments, liquidity pools, all happening directly on blockchain infrastructure without relying entirely on traditional banks or brokerages. And that is exactly why firms like Grayscale are paying attention. Now, for people unfamiliar with Hyperliquid, the platform has exploded in popularity recently because it combines fast execution speeds with fully on-chain trading infrastructure. That is important because many traders increasingly want the transparency of decentralized systems without sacrificing speed or usability. And honestly, that balance has been one of the biggest challenges in crypto for years. People wanted decentralization, but they also wanted the speed and convenience of centralized exchanges. Now, platforms like Hyperliquid are trying to merge both worlds together, and if that trend continues, DeFi could become much larger than most people currently realize. Now, personally, I think one of the biggest long-term themes underneath all of this is interoperability. Right now, crypto still feels fragmented sometimes. Bitcoin lives in one ecosystem. Ethereum has its own ecosystem. Solana has another ecosystem. Liquidity gets split across chains. Applications get split across chains. And users constantly move assets around trying to chase better fees, speed, or opportunities. That fragmentation creates friction. And honestly, that is exactly why projects trying to unify liquidity and connect ecosystems together are getting attention right now. One example is LiquidChain. Not financial advice, obviously, but LiquidChain is currently running its Layer 3 pre-sale at around 0.01465 per token. And honestly, what makes the project interesting is the core idea behind it. LiquidChain is attempting to create what it calls a unified execution layer, connecting Bitcoin liquidity, Ethereum DeFi infrastructure, and Solana-level transaction speed into one ecosystem, basically trying to bridge together multiple major blockchain worlds that currently operate separately. Now, obviously, that is a huge ambition. People should stay realistic anytime they look at early-stage crypto projects. Most projects fail. But at the same time, interoperability and cross-chain liquidity are becoming increasingly important conversations across the industry, especially as DeFi grows larger. According to the project's materials, LiquidChain focuses heavily on deeper liquidity pools, faster execution, and trust-minimized cross-chain messaging between major blockchain ecosystems. And honestly, those are exactly the types of infrastructure problems the crypto industry still needs to solve long-term. Because if crypto eventually scales globally, users are probably not going to want 10 completely disconnected ecosystems fighting each other forever. They will want seamless movement between networks. Now, another reason people have been paying attention to LiquidChain recently is because the pre-sale has already raised over $800,000 and has been featured across multiple crypto publications and aggregator sites. The current pre-sale price is around 0.01465, with another price increase approaching in just a couple of days. And for people wondering how projects like this are usually accessed, most users connect through crypto wallets like Best Wallet or MetaMask directly through the official pre-sale website. Now, personally, I think the bigger takeaway from all this is not just whether Hyperliquid succeeds or whether LiquidChain succeeds specifically. The bigger story is that crypto infrastructure is evolving rapidly underneath the surface, while most casual investors still only focus on Bitcoin price candles. Meanwhile, entire decentralized financial ecosystems are being built in real time, and honestly, if DeFi continues expanding the way firms like Grayscale expect, the next generation of financial platforms may end up looking very different from traditional banking altogether.